The radius of a circle is increasing at a constant rate of 0.2. So again, I don't read the whole problem. I just read a little bit, write something down that I know. So I know that dr over dt, the change in the radius, divided by, d means difference, but difference means change. So the change in the radius divided by the change in time, the radius of a circle, I read slow and careful, is increasing at a constant rate of, so the radius is going up by 0.2 meters every time the time changes by 1 second. What is the rate of increase? So rate means derivative in the area of the circle. So that would be dA over dt is what they're looking for. At the instant when the circumference is, so this is at c equal 20 pi. So I recognize this as a related rate problem because they're giving me a rate and asking for a related rate. So I'm going to use the dreaded process. So I have Danica's chart. That's this D. Now I read the problem and I record all the rates that I am reading about. So that already happened. So that's dr dt and dA dt, which means I would worry about a radius as an amount and also an area as an amount. EA says I need an equation that uses these two. So I remember that for the area of a circle, because area is measured in something like square meters, this would be radius squared. D says I need to differentiate this equation with respect to time. So I have d over dt of A must equal d over dt of pi r squared. I don't really know if this will help or not, but I just keep going because I'm not stuck. If I'm stuck, I want to skip the problem and move on. So pi is a constant, something squared. That means bring down the 2 and the something. The new exponent, 2 minus 1 would be 1. Then I have to have d over dt of that something. So now I read the problem again. Let's see, I'm looking for the dA dt when c is 20 pi. But right here I recognize two pi r is the circumference. So I know that dA dt must equal 20 pi multiplied by dr dt is 0.2 using my calculator, the correct answer, because I can plug that in, the correct answer is C.